What's good, my peeps? Calvin B back with another video for you guys today. And in today's video, we have the unboxing for the tOZO wireless charger. And I picked this up on Amazon for about $11.99. And it says that it has no AC adapter. So I'm wondering if that means that it just doesn't come with one or if it doesn't need one. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, so here we have the tOZO wireless charger, and as you can see at the bottom we have a wide selection of colors to choose from, and on the front you can see a picture of the device. Going to the back here we have pretty much the product features. It says to remove any metal plates from the cases before charging, and also the USB adapter is not included, so I believe that's what it means by no AC adapter. Also, if you want to use fast charging mode, it requires a quick charge 3.0, but that's not included either. And that's pretty much about it. Everything else is in different languages. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see. Oh man, okay. All right, so let's see if we can go ahead and get this open. Come on. There we go. Boom. Alright, so taking everything out of the package here. Let's see if there's anything else in there. Okay. And we got some warranty information right here. Instruction manual on how to use it. I'm pretty sure we know how to use a wireless charger. I guess what it means by no AC adapter is the block. So, but we do have a cord here, which let's see if that's USB-C or micro USB. That is actually USB-C. So pretty nice. And if I can get it out, come on. All right. This is the color I chose. It shows black on the box, but this is actually a different color. Let's go ahead and take this out. All right, stop trolling me. All right, but this right here, the color that it said on Amazon was champagne. And as you can see here, it has a nice shiny finish. We got the rubber stoppers on the bottom. Brand logo tOZO on the bottom, and then also brand logo on the middle, tOZO. All right, pretty nice. Let's go ahead and see. I don't have my phone, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna test out the charging for this with the case on and also with the case off. Nice thing that we got a USB type C here, because micro USB is going out of style. Let's go ahead and get my phone, so we can test out the charging for this, and let's get to it. All right guys, so here we have the wireless charger connected to our power bank, and as you can see down here, the green light indicates that it's ready to charge. We're gonna go ahead and do our plop test, and if you guys don't remember what that is, it's where we just drop the phone on the wireless charger and see how long it takes to start up. Also guys, you wanted to see what it looks like on Amazon, here you go. Champagne color is what I got, and $11.99 is how much it cost. It also has like a coupon down here, so pretty cool. All right, but let's go ahead and get this plop test out the way. Case on. This is the OtterBox Defender case, so let's go ahead and get into it. Man, okay. All right, okay, all right. 3 shots. Let's see what it does. All right. 1, 2. Okay, got 2. All right. Here we go. Last one. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. All right. You know what, guys? This puts the Trax mouse pad with wireless charger to shame. That puts it to shame. We're gonna go ahead and do this without the case. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work without a doubt, but let's go ahead and do that so I can show you. All right, here we go. No case on the phone, nothing. Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Let's go ahead. 1, 2, okay. Like 1.5 seconds right there. Okay. All right. Second drop. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. What? Wait a second. All right. So I guess the blinking light means that I have to readjust it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What's going on here, bro? What's going on here? All right. Last one. 1. Okay. 2 out of 3 without the case. 3 out of 3 with the case on. That's weird AF. But I guess it was just the positioning of the phone. Okay. All right. There we go. So that's the charge test with the case and without the case. 3 out of 3 works with the case, and 2 out of 3 for some reason without the case. That's odd, but hey, at least it works with the case on. So that is pretty much about it for the tOZO wireless charger. Overall, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 5 out of 5, mainly because, well, for one, the USB Type-C charger on this. Guys, away with the micro USB, for real. But this is actually the first wireless charger that I've seen with a USB Type-C. I'm pretty sure there's others out there, but this is the first one that I've seen. This one was $11.99 and it blew the Trax mouse pad out of the water. Also, on Amazon, you can choose between a wide variety of colors. As you guys seen on the box, you can choose like a crazy amount of colors. So that's pretty dope. This champagne color is actually pretty cool. I was gonna get the black, but then I was like, nah, I got a lot of black stuff, so might as well go ahead and change it up and make it look cool, you know what I mean? But the fact that when you place your phone down or your device down on this charger and it instantly starts charging like within 1.5 to 2 seconds, it's just crazy. I guess depending on where you place it on there, it depends on if it starts charging quicker, but at the same time, it's just like crazy fast. So I love it, actually. I love it. So 5 out of 5 for me. If you guys want to purchase this product, I do have a link in the description so you guys can check it out on Amazon. But that's pretty much about it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you happen to enjoy it, make sure you slap a like on it. Make sure you subscribe for more content and also turn on those post notifications so you're notified every single time I upload a video. I don't have my glasses today, so I'm just looking all over the place. My glasses actually broke, so yeah. But don't forget to be brilliant, stay inspired. You guys know what it is. Yes, you know what it is. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.